This is a hydrogen water bottle that takes just normal H2O like this and does like an ionization process throughout the bottle and just kind of like hydrogenates the water. The capacity is a 380 milliliter, which is 400, max is 400 milliliter. Uses on a full charge, you can go 20 to 25 times of usage on that. Power is a 5 watt. Charging times 2 to 3 hours. 2 settings. You get a 3-minute and a 6-minute timer on this thing, and I will show you how to use that. And you know, looking over it here, here's some of the effects on the backs. It's got the 2 cycles. Hydrogen density is 1,200 ppb and 1,600 ppb, which is probably the 3 minutes and 6 minutes. And you know what? Open it up. I've already used this thing and put it back in the box for this video. It was wrapped in this right here. Very nicely packaged. It was very nicely. You can see it's even still got some condensation in it. Inside of here, you get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You get a quick start instructions, a little thank you card, and how to tighten it down. But you know what? If you can screw a lid on, you know how to do that part. And then let me just kind of like show you some of the process of this thing in general. So moving it aside here, really there's not much to this, everybody. You got a opening right here. That's where you charge it. This is fully charged. You basically just plug that in. The lid comes off. The lid does have a relief valve right there and a seal around here. And what you're going to do, you can pretty much use tap water. I'm going to use one of the Dasani waters. It said fill it up 80%, which is about, I would say that's 80%. I don't fill it all the way to the rim. I'm just going to go like that. And to start it, you see how it's on there? To start it, one click. You see that blue in there? 2 click. 6 minutes right there. 2 clicks is 6 minutes. And you see what it's doing. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera. It is not adding anything to the water, by the way. All it is doing is stimulate the hydrogen atoms in there. I try to drink one of these a day, basically, but this is something anyone could use throughout the entire day. You can see it's got a little rubber bottom right there. It feels this feels very premium. This does not feel cheap at all. Let's let this set here, go through the process. When it gets done, I'll show you what it does. Okay, everybody, it's been 6 minutes. You can see right here. Now, I don't know how well you can see, but there's a little more bubbles. I do notice there's more kind of bubbles inside of this thing. And then when you open it, there's a little bit of popping noise. Now let's taste it. One thing with drinking this hydrogen water, the only thing that I can tell a difference, it changes no taste. It tastes exactly the same. But one thing, it makes me, you can almost taste the air. I know it's kind of sound crazy. It's like you're swallowing air with this. So it does do something. This is something I recommend for anyone that's just like training or just needing to hydrate themselves a little bit more out there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the hydrogen, hydrogen water bottle. See you on the next video.